In this video, we'll demonstrate how to make your X account public. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to make your X account public, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get into the steps. Open X on your device, whether mobile or desktop. On mobile, go to the home page and swipe across. On desktop, locate Settings and Support. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Navigate to Privacy and Safety. Click or tap on Audience and Tagging. Look for the option Protect Your Posts in the Twitter Activity section. Toggle off the option. Once turned off, your Twitter account becomes public, allowing anyone to view your tweets, enhancing their reach beyond your followers. After making these changes, the padlock icon next to your name on the Twitter homepage will disappear, indicating that your account is now public. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. For additional tutorials and helpful guides, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.